Hello students, welcome in our civics lecture. Today we are going to learn the chapter number 3, how the state government works. Students, last year we discussed the fact that government works at 3 levels. Those are local level, state level and national level, and looked at the work of local government, means how that local government is working in some detail. In this chapter we are going to examine the work of the government at the state level, means at the state level how that government is working. हाउ डज दिस टेक प्लेस इन द डेमोक्रेसी? हमारी जो लोकशाही शासन है इसमें ये स्टेट गवर्नमेंट कैसे काम करता है वो हम इस लेसन में देखने वाले हैं. देन व्हाट इज़ द रोल ऑफ मेंबर ऑफ लेजिस्लेटिव असेंबली? इन शॉर्ट फॉर्म वी आर सेइंग देम MLA, means and ministers. Then how do people express their views or their demand action from government? So we will look this at the question through the example of the health. Students, if we want to go anywhere in any place, so there is need of good administration, good management. So on the state level how that management and that administration is going on, that we will see in this lesson. So for that, first of all we will take the example of health. Here I will tell you one story, and through the story with taking that health example we will explain about the role of state government. In this story, there are two friends, and they both are talking about the shortage of water in their area. So we will learn this story, and through that story we will understand about what is the role of government in the at the state level. Hey, look at this. It says that there is a water shortage in our state and people are falling sick. In many villages, people are found to be drinking unclean water. Streams have dried up and have tanks. In the worst affected areas, villagers have been carrying water across the great distance. People at the district headquarters Patalpuram receive water supply once in 3 days. The district hospital here is overflowing with patients, a large number of whom are children with acute diarrhea. Means on the TVs they said 10 people have died from diarrhea. Is that possible? Can one really die from it? Who knows? Just hope. I don't get it. Means this after that in the afternoon when they are meeting to each other, my mother said not to have any icy drinks from the market. She gave one of her lectures this morning. You have to be responsible for your health, Shireen. Ha ha ha. Then suddenly, what they saw? This is road blocked due to the rally. They have guarded the MLA's residence. Really? Why has he done something? Ha ha. They seem more angry about he hasn't done, and we demand that the authorities take immediate action to bring the public health situation under control. Our MLA must take the responsibility for this. What a loud voice he has! He must be a leader or something. Means here in this story that two friends In this story, there are two friends, and they both are talking about the shortage of water in their area. So we will learn this story, and through that story we will understand about what is the role of government in the at the state level. Hey, look at this. It says that there is a water shortage in our state and people are falling sick. In many villages, people are found to be drinking unclean water. Streams. So, students, now we will turn towards our next point. It is, why do we have state government? India has a huge country with 28 states and 7 union territories. Distribution of power between the center and state has been provided for in the Constitution of India for the smooth functioning of our country. The state government is responsible for good governance of the people of the state. मतलब जो भी स्टेट के लोगों की जिम्मेदारियां है वो किनको दी हुई है, स्टेट गवर्नमेंट को दी हुई है, एंड ओनली दे आर रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर दैट थिंग्स. The state government manages the affairs of the state at 3 level. Means in that also now there are 3 levels. ये जो state के affairs है वो 3 stage पर क्या किए जाते हैं, manage किए जाते हैं. First one is that legislative, second is that executive, and third one is that administrative. The state legislature consists of the governor and one or two houses. In states where there are two houses, there is a legislative council and legislative assembly. In that also, in Marathi there is word for legislative council means Vidhan Parishad. It is the अपर हाउस. जो आपने वर्ड सुना होगा विधान परिषद, ये क्या होता है, हमारे स्टेट व गवर्नमेंट का अपर हाउस होता है. एंड लेजिस्लेटिव असेंबली, इट इज़ अ विधान सभा. इट इज़ अ लोअर हाउस ऑफ द स्टेट लेजिस्लेचर. नाउ विल टर्न टूवर्ड्स द पावर्स एंड फंक्शंस ऑफ लेजिस्लेटिव असेंबली. अब ये जो लेजिस्लेटिव असेंबली है इनके फंक्शंस क्या है, व्हाट इज़ देयर वर्क एंड विच पावर्स दे हैव, दैट वी विल सी इन दिस पॉइंट. हाउ दे शुड वर्क फॉर द पीपल, दैट वी विल सी इन दिस पॉइंट. इट एक्ट्स एज द हाईएस्ट लॉ मेकिंग ऑर्गन ऑफ द स्टेट. A proposal to pass law or to amend an executing one is called bill. Bill is introduced in legislative assembly. These proposals are debated or discussed among the members of the assembly before voting. Once the bill is approved with majority vote, it is sent to the other house where it goes through the same procedure. Thereafter, the bill goes to the governor for this approval. Once approved, the bill becomes a law. मतलब कोई लॉ अगर तैयार होता है तो उससे पहले क्या प्रोसीजर होती है ये यहाँ पे दी गई है. द बजट एंड ऑल मनी बिल्स कैन ओनली बी इंट्रोड्यूस्ड इन द लेजिस्लेटिव असेंबली. मतलब कोई बिल अगर पास करना है या कोई लॉ अगर पास करना है उसकी प्रोसीजर जो होती है वो लेजिस्लेटिव असेंबली में ही क्या की जाती है. while other bills may be introduced in the legislative council. और कुछ एक ऐसे जो बिल हमें पास करने हैं वो लेजिस्लेटिव काउंसिल में किए जाते हैं. मतलब वी कैन टेक दैट रिसेंट एग्जाम्पल ऑफ कोविड 19. In that government made so many laws. So where that laws were passed, and they process in the legislative assembly. Now, what is the mean of budget? Budget is like a future account of the government. It gives the proposal of income and expenditure of the government. The budget is presented by the finance minister. मराठी में उसे अर्थसंकल्प कहा जाता है। आपने सुना होगा कि हर साल जो बजट है, मतलब कौन सी चीज़ों के लिए कितना बजट दिया जाता है, दैट टोटल चार्ट इज coming into the newspaper. We are watching on the television, newspaper, then social media. मतलब कौन सी चीज़ों के लिए कितना परसेंट दिया हुआ है, कितनी परसेंट रकम हमें देनी है, कौन सी चीज़ों को इम्पोर्टेंस दिया गया है, कौन सी चीज़ें सस्ती की गई है, कौन सी चीज़ें बहुत महंगी है। ये जो सारी चीज़ें हैं वो इस बजट में साल के पहले ही क्या की जाती है, फिक्स की जाती है। सो दैट इज़ द बजट। देन व्हाट कंप्राइजेस द एग्जीक्यूटिव? द एग्जीक्यूटिव कंप्राइजेस ऑफ काउंसिल ऑफ मिनिस्टर एंड चीफ मिनिस्टर. द मेंबर्स ऑफ असेंबली कंट्रोल द एग्जीक्यूटिव. नाउ before that we learn about the legislative assembly's functions and power. Now what are the functions of legislative council? That we will see in this point. The legislative council is mainly advisory body. ये क्या होती है कि एडवाइजरी बॉडी होती है, एडवाइस देने वाले वहाँ पे लोग होते हैं. The members of the legislative council are not directly elected by the people. जैसे legislative assembly के जो peoples होते हैं वो लोगों द्वारा क्या किए जाते हैं, वोट देकर उन्हें इलेक्ट किया जाता है. लेकिन यहाँ के जो legislative council के लोग होते हैं वो डायरेक्टली लोगों के द्वारा इलेक्टेड नहीं होते हैं. The elected by the people of the state by the different bodies of the state. स्टेट की जो अलग अलग बॉडीज़ होती है उनके द्वारा नियुक्त किए गए ये क्या होते हैं, लोग होते हैं. दिस इज़ अ परमानेंट बॉडी. दिस मेंबर्स आर इलेक्टेड फॉर अ टर्म ऑफ 6 years. Means these peoples are continued that work for 6 years. The states having 2 houses are called bicommercial, and the states having 2 houses are called bicameral. Bicameral states are Jammu and Kashmir, Bihar, Karnataka, Maharashtra and Uttar Pradesh. The governor is the constitutional head of the state. Means who is the head of the state? Governor is the head of the state. He is appointed by the president of the country. और उन्हें प्रेसिडेंट द्वारा क्या किया जाता है, नियुक्त किया जाता है. He appoints the chief minister and other members ऑफ द काउंसिल मिनिस्टर. अब इस गवर्नर को क्या अधिकार होता है कि जो हमारे स्टेट का चीफ मिनिस्टर है और बाकी के जो काउंसिल के मेंबर्स है इनको नियुक्त करने का अधिकार उस गवर्नर को दिया जाता है. ही अपॉइंट्स द एडवोकेट जनरल एंड अदर ऑफिसर्स ऑफ द स्टेट. एवरी बिल हैज़ टू बी अप्रूव्ड by the governor. He has the right to dissolve the legislature. Means now for being that governor what eligibility should have that governor should have? She has to be a citizen of India. वो क्या होना चाहिए? इंडिया का रहने वाला होना चाहिए. He or she should not be a member of either House of Parliament or state legislature. He or she cannot hold any office of profit. So these eligibility should have for the governor. Now, what is the meaning of constituency? Every state is divided into small areas called constituencies, which is specified area covering one or more district. Each such constituencies has an elected representative who is a member of the legislative assembly. मतलब ये जो कॉन्स्टिट्यूंसी है वो क्या की जाती है? स्मॉल एरियाज़ में डिवाइड की जाती है. उसके बाद स्पेसिफाइड एरिया कवरिंग विथ वन और मोर districts. Each constituencies has an elected representative. हर एक जो डिस्ट्रिक्ट है वहाँ से क्या किया जाता है? एक एक रिप्रेजेंटेटिव लेकर वो इलेक्ट किया जाता है. एंड दीज मेंबर्स आर मेंबर ऑफ द लेजिस्लेटिव assembly. The state legislative assembly consists of not more than the 500 members and not less than the 60 members. मतलब लेजिस्लेटिव असेंबली के लिए 500 से ज़्यादा लोगों की ज़रूरत नहीं होती, लेकिन वो लोग 60 से ज़्यादा कम भी नहीं होने चाहिए. Now here we will take the example of state Odisha. In the Odisha has 147 constituencies. The biggest state like Uttar Pradesh has 403 members in its assembly. उत्तर प्रदेश जो सबसे बड़ा स्टेट है वहाँ पे उनके मेंबर्स कितने हैं? 403 in its assembly. State which have small population and are small in size have a provision for having even lesser number of members in the legislative assembly. In the Pondicherry, it is a small state. They have 30 members in the legislative assembly. Then in the Mizoram and Goa, they have only 40 members in each. In the Sikkim, there has 32 members. Means according to the state, there is a more and less members as a representatives or members of the assembly. Now, what is the meaning of MLA? MLA. Before that, maybe you are familiar with some official names such as collector, medical officer, etc. But have you heard of an MLA and the legislative assembly? इसके बारे में आपने कभी पहले सुना है? Do you know the MLA of your area? आपके एरिया का MLA कौन है आपको पता है? Can you identify which party is in your area? They are belonging from the MLA. So every 5 years election, MLA's long form is that member of legislative assembly. Every 5 years election is announced for the state. आपको पता है कि आपके अगर गांव में ग्राम पंचायत है, नगर परिषद है या नगर पालिका है, महानगर पालिका है, तो उसके लिए क्या किया जाता है? हर 5 साल बाद इलेक्शन लिया जाता है. सो लाइक दैट इन फॉर द स्टेट ऑल्सो देयर इज़ द इलेक्शन आफ्टर 5 years. तो लेजिस्लेटिव असेंबली के लिए भी ऐसे होता है. पॉलिटिकल पार्टीज नॉमिनेट देयर पीपल फॉर ईच कॉन्स्टिट्यूएंसी. अब ये जो पॉलिटिकल पार्टीज़ है वो क्या करते हैं, हर एक कॉन्स्टिट्यूंसी के लिए नॉमिनेट की जाती है. ऑल मेंबर्स ऑफ द लेजिस्लेटिव असेंबली आर इलेक्टेड ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ adult franchise. Adult franchise means you learn that term in the previous lecture. In the first chapter we learn about the adult franchise means who have the right of voting. After the age 18 we are getting the right to vote, that is called the universal adult franchise. And one member is elected from the constituency. उस constituency से क्या किया जाता है, एक member elect किया जाता है. A member of legislative assembly is MLA is a representative elected by the voters of an electoral district. मतलब डिस्ट्रिक्ट की जो कॉन्स्टिट्यूंसी होती है उनके द्वारा क्या किए जाते हैं, ये लेजिस्लेटिव असेंबली के लोग इलेक्टेड किए जाते हैं. टू द लेजिस्लेचर ऑफ द स्टेट इन द इंडियन सिस्टम ऑफ गवर्नमेंट. Now we saw before that what is called the MLA and who is electing to the MLA. Now how is government formed in a state? After the election of legislative assembly, the political party whose MLAs won more than half number of constituencies in a state is said to be a majority and has the first right to form the government of the state. मतलब जिस पार्टी के लोग 50% से ज़्यादा आते हैं उन्हें क्या की जाती है, ये मेजॉरिटी देखकर उनको फर्स्ट राइट गवर्नमेंट का दिया जाता है. Coalition government, when no single party have a clear majority, different parties may join together to form the coalition government. The leader of the majority party is appointed as the state चीफ मिनिस्टर बाय द गवर्नमेंट. मतलब जिस पार्टी के लोग सबसे ज़्यादा नियुक्त होते हैं या लोग उन्हें वोटिंग करते हैं उस पार्टी का क्या होता है, चीफ मिनिस्टर होता है. एंड फॉर दैट व्हाट इज़ द एलिजिबिलिटी फॉर द चीफ मिनिस्टर? ही शुड बी अ सिटीजन ऑफ इंडिया, देन हिज एज शुड बी 25 years एज and he should be a member of either houses of the state legislature. Now we will turn towards the power and functions of chief minister. The chief minister is the leader of legislative assembly of the state. मतलब हमारे स्टेट का जो हेड होता है वो कौन होता है, चीफ मिनिस्टर. He selects the ministers in the council of ministers as the head of the council. He allocates the portfolios or departments to them. मतलब ये जो सभी मिनिस्टर चूज़ करने का काम है या उनकी जो कमेटी है वो बनाने का काम चीफ मिनिस्टर का होता है. द CM means chief minister is the main link between the governor and the state cabinet. Generally, the governor exercises all his functions on the advice of chief minister. It is his duty to communicate to the governor all decisions of council minister. मतलब if we took the example, हमने अगर हमारे स्कूल का ही एग्जाम्पल लिया तो हमारे चीफ मिनिस्टर होंगे हमारे प्रिंसिपल एंड कमिटी मीन्स आर टीचर एंड यू ऑल आर स्टूडेंट्स आर द पीपल्स. तो जो भी हमारी बातें हैं, जो भी हमारे प्रॉब्लम्स है, उसका जो मेन इसके लिंक है बीच की, वो है हमारे प्रिंसिपल. It is his duty to communicate to the governor all decisions of the Council of Ministers. As the chief spokesman of state government, all important announcements on behalf of the government is made by him. The policies and working of the different ministries are monitored and coordinated by him. He summons and presides over the meeting of the council's minister. The governor appoints or dismisses other ministers on his advice. The chief minister allocates or relocates the portfolios among the ministers. Sole channel of communication between his ministers and legislature, bills, resolution, etc. moved in legislature must have his approval. He remains responsible to the Legislative Assembly for the acts performed by the State Council of Ministers. If the Chief Minister resigns, the entire Council of Ministers is bound to resign. The Chief Minister allocates or relocates the portfolios among the ministers. Sole channel of communication between his ministers and legislature, bills, resolution, etc. moved in legislature must have his approval. He remains responsible to the Legislative Assembly for the acts performed by the State Council of Ministers. If the Chief Minister resigns, the entire Council of Ministers is bound to resign.